Hi guys, what's up everybody? So you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you guys through what I do as part-time. Okay, like the sun is hot, that's one in this car. Okay, so so now I'm doing my national service. Why am I so blank? So I'm doing my national service at Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, and I'll tell you guys in a different video what I do over there. But then as my part-time job, I clean apartments. So I have 2 years experience in hospitality. So when I came to Ghana, a friend of mine in the US has a unit, a 4 apartment unit at East Legon Hills. So she was looking for cleaners, and I'm like, don't stress, boo. Like I just offered to do it because I needed the cash, for all the small outings that I would want to do. So yes, I took the job, and for now I work alone, but I think as time goes on I'll start working with other people. So I want to show you guys how I set the apartment up, how I clean, what I do, how I lay the beds and all those things. I just want to take you guys through what I do as someone who cleans an apartment, or as room attendant, or in French they say femme de chambre. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys give you a full vlog on what I do as my part-time job. So yeah, stay Hi guys, so I told you I was going to show you my place of work. So this is the apartment where I work. The name of the apartment is Cloud9 Apartment. It's owned by Mr and Mrs Kareem. Shout out to them. And the rate here is a 2-bedroom apartment, and the units are 4. So 4 units, 2 bedroom each. That is 8 bedroom in the entire unit. So the price for this apartment is $120. It's cheap. Looking at the interior, modern, a modern kitchen, modernized kitchen. Can you all see? I'm going to give you guys a proper view of the place when I'm done working. But this is the most affordable Airbnb I've ever come across. In Ghana. Not I've been to any Airbnb, but then this is high standard, okay? Mr and Mrs Kareem have done so well. And so if you are abroad or even in Ghana and you want to spend some time with your friends, or maybe a birthday party, a getaway with your husband or your boyfriend, or even your friend or your partner, let me say it like that, you can just call on us. We on IG handle is Cloud9 Apartment. So you could just go and then send us a message. We have our contact contact over there. You can contact Mr. Kareem or the property manager Francis, and then they'll be at your beck and call. We give you top-notch service, and of course I am the cleaner over here, proud cleaner. I'll give you like the best. When you come, you won't even find any reason not to come to this apartment again. So guys, today I'm going to show you what I do from the top to the end. I'm going to show you how I clean, the tools that I use, the products that I use, how I lay my bed, how I clean the bathrooms. You know, it's just like one beautiful apartment. And please patronize us because we give you the best. Don't go and waste your money on any hotel that you wouldn't enjoy. Here they have Wi-Fi, DSTV, Netflix, AC, like just name it, okay? Just name it. We have everything for you. So yeah, I'm coming to like work, hustle. You know, I'm coming to like do what I do best. You know, so guys, these are what I use for my cleaning. So let me show you guys what I do with each one of them. So because I'm not going to do any tedious, cleaning, I'm going to use this for the bathroom, okay? And then power zone for, the dirt in the bathroom, the toilet, the sink, you have to disinfect. And then Zoflora is a disinfectant which has fragrance. So I use it to usually mop the floors. And then this for my mirror in the bathroom, and then the mirror in the glass door of the bathroom, and then maybe for my microwave for it to look clearer, and then my oven for it to look clearer. So these are my power cleaning products. I love them. So let's get started. guys, so I'm done with my job. I'm done for my work today. The next time I'll come is on Thursday after work, after my actual job. I'll come here to like do a few things. So I'm going to show you guys, what I did. I'm going to show you guys